Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to add a GIF to your card's website. I will show you two ways on how to do this. Let's start with the first one. So first of all, you need to tap on this plus button right here and then go to image. Alright, and as you can see, you can add a JPEG, PNG and a GIF up to 2 MB to your card's website. So let's download a GIF, for example, and then you can just go to giphy.com and type, for example, dog, and select a GIF you would like to add to your website, for example this one. And when you tap on this one, you can see the size. If it's more than 2 MB, you can go to freeconvert.com/GIF compressor and you can upload the GIF right here and compress it to a lower file size. Right, so now what you can do, you can right click on it and then you can save the image right here. Let's do that right now. And after you saved it, you can go back to your site and you can go to upload and upload the GIF. As you can see, now the GIF is uploaded, and then you can go to appearance and you can change, of course, the width, the height. You can add corner roundings, drop shadow, etc. There are a lot of ways to do this. Yeah, you can make it your own how you want it, but let's delete it for now and let's go to the second method. So for the second method, you don't need to compress anything because there's no file or size limit, right? So what you need to do is you need to go again to a GIF you would like to add, and then instead of downloading it, you need to go to embed right here and then just copy this code, right? And then go again back to your card's website and tap on this plus button right here. So now instead of going to image, you need to go to embed right here. So as you can see, this is only available with Pro. I have a discount for Card Pro in the description, so you can check it out. And then once you tapped on embed, you can just copy the code and tap save, and now this this GIF is on your site. And the pro is with using embed instead of image is that it's a lot faster, and yeah, there's no file size limit, and of course you get a lot of other benefits. So I hope this video was kind of helpful. If so, please subscribe to the channel and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.